This New Year's Eve, something extraordinary is about to happen in Calgary. Join us at RCCG Christ Love Assembly, Calgary, for an unforgettable night of high praise, worship, prayer, and prophetic encounter. Featuring powerful guest gospel musicians, Kingsley E.K., Phoebe Barabiki, and the Royal Voices CLA Psalmist. Experience a divine encounter with host pastors, Pastor Samuel and Funke Ilisami leading the charge. And for the first time, enjoy a captivating drama presentation that will stir your heart and spirit. Date, December 31st, 2024. Time, 8 p.m. Venue, RCCG Christ Love Assembly, Calgary, number 2, 3510 27th Street, Northeast Calgary. Come and step into 2025 with praise, power, and purpose. Don't miss this life-changing experience, and we can't wait to celebrate with you.
Let's reach a new height together.